Hello Laitipon Hoita, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I am back on the farm. First of all, I want to say sorry if my voice is a little bit nasal because I am sick. Farm update. The pineapples are starting to bear fruit. So there's a small one here. And then on the far distance, I don't know if you can see it over there. I've said before, the season for pineapples are around June or July. It's currently March as I am filming this video. And aside from the pineapples, we also have the mangoes. These mangoes are actually big enough for consumption. You can already eat them. However, I prefer to wait a little bit longer to let them increase in size, because if I was to pick these now, I would just get like white flesh inside, and it's a little bit sour and it hasn't got like a lot of mango flavor yet. Compared to when you let them grow more, you would get like a yellowish sweet mangoes. So there you go. And one of the things that we do to check if the mangoes are ready is, of course, to check for the size. And if it's a little bit deep here, then the mango is ready. But if you're craving for mangoes, then you could eat these now. This one is more of almost round like an apple. So yeah, this variety of mango is usually eaten unripe, and you just need like salt, or how do you call this, shrimp paste. Yeah, we Filipinos like eating it with, or dipping this in shrimp paste. It's actually one of my favorite fruits. Jackfruit here. And then there's a bigger one here. But this one is not ready yet. And the shape is a little bit odd, so I don't know if it would be good for consumption. Oh, it's actually soft right now, but I don't know if it's ready. I don't think it's ready, because one of the indications that the jackfruit is ready is, of course, the smell, and I cannot smell. Oh yeah, I just remembered that I'm sick, so maybe that's the reason why I couldn't smell it. So I would ask my dad or my sister to check that out later if it's already ready. And just to let you know, people, yes, here in the Philippines, it's not uncommon for people to be wearing a jacket in summer. There, like what I'm wearing now, because we want to protect our skin from the sun. So yeah, there you go. Our coconuts are getting bigger and bigger. Yay. I love coconuts. Okay, so I'm walking to the cassava area now. My dad is actually there. There you go. So yeah, as you can see, my mom has had this area cleaned, so it's no longer bushy. And that's the cassava area. These are all the cassavas that my dad has dug. And now I'll be showing you the banana fruit. So yes, finally, after the typhoon, that most of our bananas have been destructed, or they've been uprooted, I could finally see some of the trees bearing fruits, and this is one of them. It's close to the cassava area. There you go. I am currently taking refuge from the heat of the sun. I'm under a lime tree at the moment. So yeah, FYI, more and more fruit-bearing trees here on our farm are starting to bear fruits, because I don't know if summer has officially started, but as I am filming this video, it's the first week of March, so the summer season is fast approaching. That's why we will get more and more fruits here. The limes. Okay. So this one's still small. This is called dalayap in Ilocano. So it's a local lime, I guess. Aside from the lime, we also have here, I know you cannot see it properly because I'm filming against the light, but those are the landan. So that's how we call it in Filipino. So the landans are like a mix between a lemon and a clementine. So it's sweet and juicy in the inside, and at the same time it also has the tanginess or sourness of a lemon, and the skin is green. I'll be attempting to get one of these dalandans just to show you and also to taste if it's ready or sweet. This is a dalandan or dalanghita in Ilocano. It smells so good. So I'll be eating this later. There you go. I'm still walking around the farm just to check what's new here because I haven't been here for quite a long time. The moringa tree also has a lot of fruits. I don't know if like other ethnic group here in the Philippines are eating the fruit of a moringa tree, but we Ilocanos do. So this is how it looks like. So that is the flower of a moringa tree. This is the fruit. There. Let me get this because this is actually one of my favorite vegetables. So just how you get the string beans, you have to twirl it as well, then pull. There you go. This is how you eat the fruit of the moringa tree. Okay. So this is what I'm eating now is a vegetable, Ilocano vegetable dish called pinakbet, and then of course one of the ingredients is the fruit of the moringa tree. So open it and then you have to scrape the inside. And then mix it with other vegetables, string beans, eggplant, and bitter melon. There you go, perfect bite. So those are mango trees and papayas and pineapples and moringa tree, lime tree, soursop tree, mango, coconuts. That's what you've noticed by now. My mom is not so organized when it comes to planting. So wherever she finds a space, she would just bury a seed. And then you will just be surprised that one day there's like a fruit-bearing tree that will pop up from the ground. I am under a soursop tree, so this is one of the fruits. Really spiky. There you go. But this one is not ready to be picked yet, still small. Summer season is the season of fruits, so we are enjoying eating lots of fruits now from the farm. Another one here. Okay, so wait, that here is peeling the casabas. While peeling, he's also eating. There you go, suha or pomelo. My dad told me that yesterday he picked or harvested some of the bananas and now he put them in a box to be kept to be ripened. So I'll be showing you now. Just to let you know guys, the saging na saba or cooking bananas, as the name implies, are usually used for cooking Filipino desserts. So we have two popular desserts here. The first one is banana Q. So it's the saging na saba fried and then glazed with brown sugar, and the other one is turon. So turon is like spring rolls, but instead of stuffing it with meat, there's gonna be banana, jackfruit, or ube inside. And yes, I love those desserts. And next to the big box is a small box. So this contains saging na saba. I've already shown you earlier. And by the way, they are kept inside the box because it's dark. And if the place is dark, then it's easier for fruits to be ripened. The small box here contains another variant of, or another variety of bananas. Okay, there you go. Okay, there. So let me pull one out, one bunch. there. So this is called latundal, saging na latundal. I don't know how to translate it in English, but this could be eaten right away once it's ripe, so no need to cook or anything. That's really sweet. As you can see, there are a lot of guavas. Wait, let me adjust the light. There you go. Lots of them. Yes, so to be honest, I'm not a big fan of guavas. In the past that we love eating them, that's why my mom planted guavas, but right now my preferences have changed. So if you're a big fan of guavas, if you like eating them, come to our farm and pick them. A lot of fallen fruits on the ground. The chickens feed on them and the goats as well. So all of our farm animals could eat the fruits as well. So they're not really wasted after all. Okay, so there you go. My dad getting some banana leaves and putting them under the sun to let them dry out a little bit or to be withered, because we're going to use them for wrapping the Filipino dessert that we're going to make, the suman. We are doing that because if you are going to use the fresh banana leaves, once you roll them, they will break because they're still how they call that, sturdy or firm. So there are still a lot of pomelo fruits. I am so amazed because we have been eating pomelos for I think 5 months now. I don't know how long they would last bearing fruits. I picked one of the pomelos. You see how big it is? It's almost the size of my face and smells really good. I badly need to eat lots of fruits, especially now that I am sick, and lots of citrus fruits because they contain vitamin C. I'm currently cooking another snack made of cassava. So with this, we are just cooking the cassava chunks in sugar, in brown sugar. Okay guys, now it's done. This is how it looks like. These goats are eating the banana leaves that we're supposed to be using for wrapping the suman. Ay, ay, ay. Oh my god, these goats are finishing the banana leaves. No, 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 no. Nope, 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 nope. So we are going to use these banana leaves to wrap the grated coconut. Grated cassava. Okay, so I've already put the sugar and the coconut milk into the grated cassava. So we'll just mix it. So my sister now is wrapping the mixture. So my sister is almost done. I don't know. It's 4 o'clock, people. So my sister and I are just walking around the farm and see what we can get. And our first stop is the calamansi. Alright, so that is the calamansi. There you go. Are we gonna get these, sis? Okay. I've spotted some bananas here. Let's see if they're already ready for harvest. Let's get closer. There you go. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, I think this one is ready for harvest. There. I would tell my dad to go here and pick those up. Okay guys, time for afternoon snacks. So I would be eating the suman that my sister and I made, and also a cup of coffee. Okay, so that is my afternoon snack, and I've also snacked on the pomelo earlier. There you go, that's our suman. It's good, not too sweet. And that is my view. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Cheers!